The hottest tech out there.
What if you could carry your entire 4 terabytes of data in your pocket and connect all your devices to your MacBook at the same time? Meet TurboHub. With up to 4 terabytes of external expansion, you can back up and access all your data and media files, programs, and games from anywhere. So, it's an SSD storage device? Yes, but not only. Your all-in-one SSD storage hub ensures 950 megabytes per second blazing speed data transfers from any of your devices. So it's a fast SSD. Even better, TurboHub brings back all the missing connectivity of your MacBook. It increases the number of ports on your laptop instantly, adding HDMI, USB 3.1, Thunderbolt 3, USB-C ports, SD card reader, and Ethernet connector. Forget all your annoying dongles. At times when you need a faster, way faster internet connection to play video games or stream 4K videos or simply keep your privacy, TurboHub has your back. Combining speed, portability, and design, it's the ultimate device you are looking for. Need an additional screen? Or 2? Connect them to your TurboHub and boost your productivity. Link your TurboHub to any laptop, tablet, smartphone, or other device and enjoy the lightning-fast connectivity. Increased capacity, greater speed, more flexibility. Get your TurboHub.